It's been coming for some time.
Kaya niya.
Alam na alam niya eh.
When it's over.
So they say,
Kaya niya.
a rainy sunny day. I know.
Pangalasing
Yes,
na.
I know.
At least nakalimutan konti yung stress sa bahay, di ba?
I wanna know.
Have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know. Have you ever seen the rain? Did you ever see the rain? Coming down on a sunny day.
Yesterday, the days before,
Ate Che, in the house. Go, go, go.
cold rain is hard. I know.
Alam niya.
It's been raining for a time.
Akala mo yung singgera yung ano.
Sakit ng panga ko.
Whether
Kanina
on
dito
it
sa tawa ko.
goes, the time turns and slow. I know. In time of wonder,
Ang galing niya maglasing.
I wanna know. Have you ever seen the
Saan ko sa kanya yan?
Bagay na sa kanya.
Kaya niya. Kaya niya. Kaya niya yung boses kasi niya, di ba?
rain?
Ala, hindi pa ako nag-blow-job. Ang sakit ko ng tama ko.
Sunny day.
Ganun ako, nag-vlog na yung kanina.
Hindi ko pa na-start pag-blow-job. Pag-blow-job na ako ng
Have you ever seen the rain?
tinanong sa ako.
Hindi, nag-vlog na yung
Have you ever seen
nag-concert na kasi.
Sabi ko, ikaw, si Whitney. Sabi ko,
Coming down on a sunny day?
wala rin mga fans mo.
Thank you. It's a heart.
Dancing queen na sabi, dancing.
Yan, dancing queen.